You want to make $15 over and over with no experience right now? Stick with me because in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this with a simple way, okay? So just stick with me and watch the whole video, otherwise you will not understand, okay? So just make sure to watch the whole video. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to talk about a website that is called ClicksFly. So the website for today is ClicksFly. So what is ClicksFly, guys? ClicksFly is the highest paying, in my opinion, it is the highest paying URL shortener and a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, so you get paid for shortening links, okay? That could be links for your website or links for other websites. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links, and this is a great way to make money. You can make a ton of money if you do it right. So I'm going to show you in this video exactly step by step how to do it and some ways to get traffic to your links, because this is the most important thing, is to get traffic to your links, otherwise you won't get money, okay? So the first thing that you have to know, guys, is that you shouldn't spam people. Don't try to spam people, because if you spam people on those traffic sources, they will ban you, okay? You have to offer valuable content, you have to offer valuable informations, and like that people will like you, people will engage with you, and they will click on your links, and this is how you will get money to, this is how you will get traffic to your link, and this is of course how you can get money. So you have to offer valuable content before asking them to visit our website using your links. So what you have to do is to choose a niche, something like cooking, crafts, tutorials, I don't know, something you know about. So you just have to choose a niche based on your skills and experience, and provide valuable information before asking people to click on your links. So now, how much do you earn? So how much do you earn? That depends on the viewers, okay? It depends on the viewers and the countries that are coming from. So let me show you how. So if you click here on the payout rate, you will see that if you have a thousand viewers from Iceland, you will get $20 from a desktop or a phone. It doesn't change, okay? So it's the same thing for a desktop and also a mobile phone, and you will get $15 for every 1,000 view from United States. So let's be honest, 1,000 view, if you do the math in YouTube, 1,000 view, that's only $2 or $3. What, it actually depends on the niche, but most of the niches it's just like $2, $3 or $4. But here, guys, it's like $20, $15, $12. If you are making content in English, I'm sure that many people that are going to watch your videos that are going to be from United States, Netherlands, Australia, New Zealand, United States, Australia, there are people that speak English, South Africa, okay? So you will get a ton of money just from doing this. So what you have to do, guys, is to drive traffic to your links. So the purpose is to get the traffic to your links. You can do that in many ways. You can create a YouTube channel and start making videos like this one and put your links on the description box, or you can just create some comments and put them in the comment section on YouTube and just make people click on those links, okay, and drive traffic to your website. Or you can, I mean, you can do that with many ways, okay? You can do that with many ways, not necessarily comments or videos. You can do that also with posts or blog posts or forums and other ways. So this is how the website looks like, okay? And also you will get 5% referral bonus if you refer everyone to this website. So this is how the website looks like. So this is a legit website, and they will pay you like I'm showing here. This is the PayPal, okay? So this is the payment proof. They are gonna pay you through PayPal. This is $7.19 USD, okay? You will get paid through PayPal, and the payment is weekly or monthly, okay? And the minimum payout is $3, okay? So right after that, right after making a comment, just make sure to put your link below, and below the link, explain them how to land on the website, okay? Explain them that you should click on I'm not a robot, okay? So just to verify that you are a real person and you're not someone that is trying to spam, okay? You just tell them that, and you tell them that if someone is clicking on your link, you will make money from that. Just be honest, be genuine with this. Don't try to spam people, don't try to smart people, okay? Just be yourself, be honest, because people love that, okay? So what you have to do is to register. Once you register, I will show you. Once you register, they will redirect you to your web page or to your account, okay? Or to your back office. Let me show you how the back. So you will have to sign up if you didn't sign up before. If not, well, I already signed up, so I will click on sign in with Google because I already have an account with them. So this is my back office, like you're seeing here, where my balance is $0, of course, because I'm just getting started with this website. But I've done a lot of research about this, and it is a legit website. They will pay you guys, so don't be afraid to be scammed and to just discover that you just wasted your time. So this is a good way. And when I say shorten links, I don't mean that you have to shorten links to your website. You can shorten links to other websites and make money from it, okay? So let's just make some simple calculations, okay? Let me bring the calculator here. So let's make some simple calculation. Let's assume that you have made like 100 link, okay? 100 link in this month, and the month later, each one of those links is getting you 10 views each day, okay? So 10 views each day from your 100 links, which is 1,000. That's 1,000 view every day. So 1,000 view every day, that could be $10, that could be $5, that could be $15. That depends on the country. So this is a great way. So this is just after 1 month of working. Just after 1 month you can make around $300 just after 1 month. And I'm just seeing 10 views every day for one link. 10 views, it's like nothing, guys. It's like nothing. You can make more than that, okay? I'm just assuming you can, the minimum, okay? I'm just assuming the minimum that you can make is like 1,000 view a day. That's gonna get you like $10 or $15 or even $20. It depends on the country. So now let's take a look about the most important thing in this video, okay? So the most important thing on this video is how to get traffic to your links, okay? This is the most important thing. So what you should know, guys, is that you can get traffic to your links from the discussion forums, okay? Just click, for example, you know about affiliate marketing, so you just click affiliate marketing discussion forums. This is discussion forums, not forums, okay? Discussion forums. And once you click on affiliate marketing discussion forums, they will give you like 11 top affiliate marketing forums, like you're seeing here. Just take a look at this, okay? There are a lot of forums here, like Affiliate Fix, like Affiliorama, like Afflifts, like Warrior Forum. Maybe you don't want to make content about affiliate marketing. You want to make content about animals, about crafts, about DIY. You want to make content about something else. I don't know your niche. I don't know about your interest. Just, you know what I'm talking about, okay? So you can do this from the discussion forums. You can do the same thing from the guest post, which is amazing. Just take a look at this, guys. Affiliate marketing guest posts, and they will give you a list of 114 affiliate marketing guest posts. Just let's assume that you can make a post, okay, and tweak that same post and post it in another website, okay, and tweak the same one and post it in another website. You know what I'm talking about, okay? So this is diversification, or this is the snowball effect. So you're taking the same post and you're just tweaking it and posting it in other websites and getting a lot of views from the same post, okay? From the same post that maybe you spent like an hour or less making it. So this is amazing. And you do the same thing also on Quora. Okay, so you know what is Quora. So this is Quora, the website that, so I think that you know already what is Quora. If you don't, you can just do some simple research. Quora is a website that you can answer questions, or you can post your questions, or you need some information about something, so you post a blog, or maybe you can give informations to people. Okay, you can give informations to people and they will react to this. Okay, so this is how you can do it. You can do the same thing on Quora also. So Quora for me is the best way to do this, okay, because you can get a lot of views, a lot of engagement from it. And also the other way to do it is from Reddit, okay, from Reddit. So you can like search for subreddit that are related to your niche and make some posts, and also put the link with your post, with your content, okay. But just be careful, because on Reddit they don't like that kind of that kind of things, okay, because you're driving traffic out of Reddit and they don't like that. But if you are offering valuable information, valuable content, you don't have to be afraid from this, okay. You can do it, okay. Just the important thing is to provide valuable information. If you don't do that, you will get banned, okay. This is for sure. You will get banned from forums, from the guest posts, from Quora, from Reddit, whatever. You will get banned if you're just saying like, can you click my link, or I made X amount of dollars from this website, and put your link. You're not providing any valuable information. All you want to do is someone to click your link to make money. And when you do this, you're just gonna get banned today or tomorrow, and I don't know, but you will just get banned, okay. So this is a real business. You can grow it to become a bigger business, okay. You can start right now and you can start making right now money from it, okay. So just stop procrastinating and stop watching Netflix and laying down and not doing anything. Just go and do some effort. Just go and start acting, okay. Start acting. Be a man of action, okay. Like that you will make some money on the internet. Money doesn't flow from the sky. You will have to struggle, you will have to hustle if you want to make money, guys. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.